Once you've downloaded the app, open it up and enter your school logins for the first time. You'll need your username and your password, and after that, there's no need to log out. Note that you can still use the app to play your downloaded podcasts when you're offline. The podcast will download locally to your phone. It's really handy. After logging in, you'll see a very simple user interface and will arrive at the main dashboard page. On this screen, you'll eventually see a record of what you've last listened to and what's new for your school. We're going to take a look at the My Library and My Downloads sections. You can download your subscribed content from My Library to My Downloads to avoid having to use data later. Let's tap on the My Library button. Here you'll see the subject areas that your school has subscribed to. Your content will populate in the apps library once you're logged in. Let's select English Literature. You can now view what topics your school has subscribed to in this subject. Select the topic or module that you wish to listen to. I'm going to listen to Macbeth. You can now see all of the podcasts related to this series. They are listed horizontally in order on a scroll. Just swipe the list sideways to view and click on the podcast that you need. I'm going to listen to Act 1, Scene 1, Witchcraft. Hit play and you're immediately off with your first listening experience.
When shall we three meet again, in thunder, lightning, or in rain?
When the hurly-burly's done, when the battle's lost and won.
Great. Now grab a pen and paper. Make some notes if you're at home if it helps, or ditch the desk and enjoy a walk with your podcasts. With Audiopi, there's no need for yet more screen time. From the My Library section, you'll be streaming the podcast over your data connection. Let's download some stuff to My Downloads so that we can play in offline mode later. Just go back to the series screen and hit the download button. And there we go, we're downloading. With that done, you can now play your podcast data free. Let's go and check out the My Downloads section to see what's there. And there we have it, Macbeth, ready to play.